Adding someone to manage your Verizon account is simple. First, only the primary account owner can add users. Open the My Verizon app and go to Account, then Manage Users, and tap Add Authorized User. Enter the new user's name, phone number, and email address. Next, choose the permission level you want to give them: basic, standard, or advanced, determining what they can access, such as billing, devices, or plan changes. A link will be sent to the new user, and they must accept it via the app or web portal to complete the process. Make sure they link a Verizon account or create one. Verizon offers varying permission levels for authorized users to control account access. Basic lets them view usage and get support. Standard allows managing devices and add-ons. Advanced includes billing and plan changes, but not account closure. You can revoke permissions at any time. All actions are logged, and the system sends alerts for suspicious behavior. To enhance security, Verizon uses biometric authentication and one-time passcodes. One-time passcodes are sent via SMS or app notifications. This helps prevent fraud, as demonstrated by cases where authorized users detected and reported fraudulent charges, preventing significant financial loss. Verizon also emphasizes end-to-end encryption for all account data.